Hello traders and welcome to the Market Open Preview brought to you through FXCL Excellence in Trading. Traders, it's Monday, April 21st, 2014, and welcome to another educational video. Today's a short video due to the Easter holidays, and most of the European countries are on holiday today. So let's take a couple of things and let's start off with, let me introduce myself to you. My name is William Gilday, and I am your moderator today. I've been a Forex trader since 2006, 2008. I went full-time after retiring from the fire rescue department in the great state of Florida. 2008, I relocated to the wonderful country of Thailand, where I'm broadcasting live from the sunny, hot beaches. Okay, we're going to get to some charts here in just a moment. But however, let's get to the legal stuff before we move on. Traders, this is our risk disclaimer. Please remember that Forex trading has a large potential of rewards, but also a large potential of risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the Forex markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Traders, do not take your mortgage money and put it on the euro dollar. That's a bad thing. All right, so let's get started with our news watch today. And yes, trader, there is no data today, no news data today worth mentioning, as most people are closed today. So therefore, there is no data and nothing to worry about. The markets are going to be very low in liquidity today. It is my suggestion that you do not take live trades in the market today. It's just a chance for you to lose your hard-earned equity. We're going to take a look at a couple of currency pairs today, and the first one we're going to take a look at is the Euro Aussie, and this is on the daily chart. So the Euro Aussie has been in a downtrend, as you can see from this daily chart. It's given us lower highs and lower lows, and you can see where it's congested at that 200 exponential moving average, being that green line on my charts. You can see the Bollinger Bands. It's also a confluence area because we have the center Bollinger Band being the 20 simple moving average. So we have the 200 exponential moving average, and we have a 20 SMA from the center Bollinger Band, and look at how price has come a magnet to that area. However, it is below and is maintained below the 200 moving average and has not been able to break above it. Take a look at the upper and lower Bollinger Bands. You can see that these Bollinger Bands, the upper one is a little curled to the downside, but I'm happy to say that the bottom Bollinger Band is to the side. And that's a great thing. That, to me, is an open Bollinger Band, and price has permission to move. So in this pair, if you were going to trade the daily chart, you just look for a entry from this resistance area, and you would look for a bearish candlestick formation. I'd like to see a hangman, maybe a couple of dojis, and then a bearish engulfing candle, and that would give us a nice one to the downside and continue the trend. As we can see, the trend is down. However, right now, today, the trend is ranging. This is ranging, so we really don't want to do anything at this point. And being that it's a holiday, I don't advise taking any trades at all. Okay, let's go over to the next currency pair I want to take a look at. And this is the pound dollar. Pound dollar is very interesting. Take a look at our Bollinger Bands. Look at that upper Bollinger Band on this daily chart. Absolutely beautiful, wide open to the upside. The center Bollinger Band, look at that. Again, that's a 20 simple moving average, wide open to the upside. And look at your bottom Bollinger Band, open to the side and looking great. This, to me, does not look like it wants to make a turn to the downside. Look at the MACD. We can see that the previous histogram bar is equal or just above the previous one, and the 200 exponential moving average, being that green line, is pointing to the upside. Traders, this is absolutely in an uptrend, and no matter what time frame you're on, there would be nothing I would be looking at except for taking trades to the long side. So, remembering that most of the European countries are closed today, the only session that is going to be open today and at full steam ahead will be our New York session. So the New York session is open today. All the markets are open today. However, remember, everybody else is closed today. So again, my advice would be not to take any live trades in the market until the next Asia session opens and we start a fresh day with everybody back in the game. Okay, traders, I really appreciate you being with me today. I know this is a very short video today, due that I don't have a lot to talk about as there's nothing has happened from Friday to today. And I would like to thank FXCL Excellence in Trading, for bringing this to you today. And traders, until next time, have a safe trading day, and we'll be talking to you very soon. This is the Market Open Preview, and we will see you again tomorrow before the London Open. Thank you, traders, and goodbye.